How to make your very own soap pouch for the shower or bath using any of our Perfectly Posh, Snarky bars, or regular bar soaps.
Take one washcloth, fold it in half, making sure that the sides are even, and then cut it down the side here where the fold is with a pair of scissors. You don't have to be real careful, you don't have to be precise, it's just as nice as you can possibly get it. Once you cut it in half, lay the good side, which is the front of the washcloth, on the bottom, like this, so that you're seeing it. Then you'll fold it up about 3/4 of the way, and you match the top with the other band like this. The reason for that is, once you sew along both sides, like I've done here, when you turn it inside out, the one will be below the other, which makes it a pouch. Once the cloth is folded and pinned so it doesn't shift, you'll be able to sew along the edges. Once you get it sewed, you simply turn it inside out. I usually start and pull the bottom corner up, sticking my finger up in there so that it's into the corner on both sides. And the bottom of the pocket is made. And then when you finish turning it, you do the same at the top, pushing that corner all the way out. And then you have a perfect little pouch for your soap.